Alright, so this is a quick update on our seedling Carambola, aka starfruit. Now this one's about 1 year old. I'm going to show a few seedlings we had around the property, talk about what happened to them. So this one has been in good condition. This is what you should have after 1 year. We kept this in a pot. This one never got eaten by my chickens, like the other ones you're going to see. And it's doing pretty good. We put cow manure in the pot, and this thing started growing explosively. And I've actually done some top work on this. I topped it, I cleaned up the lower limbs, and I need to clean it up again. So over here I'm going to show you where we put one in the ground. And this one was a lot bigger, but then the chickens came and ate it down to a stub. I don't know if you can see that there. Try to focus it on that little tiny green. Yeah, this thing was like almost the same size as the other one. And then our chickens came and ate almost all the leaves off. And this has happened now twice. You can see me pointing at it. But I have this behind some electric fencing. I'm hoping that'll keep the chickens away. We're also going to have some bees coming soon to the property. I'm going to keep those in the electric fence because we have bears out here. But here's another one, and same thing, the chickens came and ate this one. So it should be much taller than this. And out in Florida we have a problem with nematodes, and I think that could be something stunting the growth of the plants we have in the ground, because this one in the pot is just way bigger, and these were planted at the same time. So this is a seedling of the starfruit, and I'm going to go show you some grafted varieties now. So this is from seed, and this here is a grafted. It's got some beautiful growth on it. It's starting to flush out some new spring growth, those young leaves. And this one here is the Laura starfruit down at Laura Farms. They have a lot of varieties they've named now. And a lot of people are against growing seeds, but I think it's a lot cooler to grow your own seeds. Maybe that's just me. I know you can wait a lot longer and you might not get a good fruit. Here's another seedling I grew. So this one's in the ground, and I protected this one from the chickens. You can see it's doing much better. But maybe some cow manure. And I don't water this one much either. That's another thing, is this one's been neglected a lot more. So you can see that's a seedling there, and that's about 1 year old. So I'll keep you updated on when I get fruit on these little seedlings here. I'm going to show you another, well, that's a soursop there. We have another starfruit back here, and this is a grafted variety. So this one actually had fruit on it, and the squirrels came and took it all off. But this here is our Arkin starfruit. And starfruits are absolutely delicious. You know, if you get them in the grocery store, they taste terrible. They're not right. They're not ready. They pick them way too early when they're green. If you get a nice tree ripened starfruit, whoo, it's good. And these trees are like supposed to be really productive, like 3 or 4 crops a year. So I'm excited about these little seedlings. We'll see what kind of fruit I get, and if they end up being no good, I can always graft onto them. So I kind of think you should go to seedlings. I'm going to show you the comparison. And here's the Laura. You can see the difference in the leaf. Thank you for watching. Look at that new growth.